Hello everyone, my name is Tim, and today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit different. I'm going to be going over 5 stocks that are in the Dividend Kings list. These stocks are for companies that have increased their dividend payments every year over the last 50 plus years. So instead of one stock, I'm going to be going over 5 and just going over just the basics. I'm not going to be doing an extensive review on each. I'm just going to be talking about the basics of the company and their dividend yield and payout. And at the end, I will take a look to see how much of each of these stocks you would need to own to make $1,000 per month in dividends, roughly. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Hope you have a great day. The first stock I'm going to be going over is Johnson & Johnson. It currently is trading as of this day, February 21st, 2021, which is not a market day. It is a Sunday. So right now it is trading at $162.98 per share. It has a dividend rate of an annual payout of $4.04 with a yield of 2.44%. Over the last year, they are up 11.28%. Johnson & Johnson researches and develops, manufactures, and sells various products in the healthcare field worldwide. It operates in 3 segments: consumer, pharmaceutical, and medical devices. The consumer segment offers baby care products under the Johnson's brand, oral care products under the Listerine brand, beauty products under the Aveeno Clean and Clear, Dr. Cialavo, Neutrogena, and OGX brands, over-the-counter medicines including acetaminophen products under the Tylenol brand, cold, flu, and allergy products under the Sudafed brand, allergy products under the Benadryl and Zyrtec brands, ibuprofen products under the Motrin IB brand, and acid reflux products under the Pepcid brand. This segment also provides women's health products such as sanitary pads and tampons under the Stay Free, Carefree, and OB brands, wound care products comprising adhesive bandages under the Band-Aid brand, and first aid products under the Neosporin brand. The pharmaceutical segment offers products in various therapeutic areas, including immunology, infectious diseases, neuroscience, oncology, pulmonary hypertension, and cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. The medical devices segment provides orthopedic products, general surgery, biosurgical, endomechanical, and energy products. Electrophysiology products to treat cardiovascular diseases, and vision care products such as disposable contact lenses and ophthalmic products related to cataract and laser refractive surgery. The company markets its products to general public and retail outlets and distributors, as well as distributes directly to wholesalers, hospitals, and healthcare professionals for prescription use. Johnson & Johnson was founded in 1886 and is based in New Brunswick, New Jersey. For their dividend, they have a payout ratio of 42.51%, a 5-year growth rate of 6.13%. They have grown their dividend every year for the last 58 years. They pay out $1.01 per share on a quarterly basis, and that comes to that $4.04 as an annual payout. Next, I'm going to be talking about GPC, the Genuine Parts Company. It is right now trading as of February 21st, 2021 at $102.36 per share. It has a dividend annual payout of $3.26 with a yield of 3.23%. They are currently up 1.74% over the last year. Genuine Parts Company distributes automotive replacement parts, industrial parts and materials, and business products in the United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, France, the United Kingdom, Germany, Poland, the Netherlands, and Belgium. The company distributes automotive replacement parts for imported vehicles, hybrid and electric vehicles, trucks, SUVs, buses, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, farm vehicles, small engine, farm equipment, marine equipment, and heavy-duty equipment, and accessory items for automotive aftermarket, such as repair shops, service stations, fleet operators, automobile and truck dealers, leasing companies, bus and truck lines, mass merchandisers, farms, industrial concerns, and individuals. It also distributes industrial replacement parts and related supplies such as bearings, mechanical and electrical power transmission products, industrial automation and robotics, hoses, hydraulic and pneumatic components, industrial and safety supplies, and material handling products for original equipment manufacturers, as well as maintenance, repair, and operation customers and equipment and machinery, food and beverage, forest product, primary metal, pulp and paper, mining, automotive, oil and gas, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, power generation, alternative energy, governments, transportation, ports, and other industries. In addition, the company provides various services and repairs comprising gearbox and fluid power assembly repair, process pump assembly and repair, hydraulic drive shaft repair, electrical panel assembly and repair, hose and gasket manufacture and assembly, and other value added services. Further, it distributes office furniture, technology products, general office and school supplies, cleaning, janitorial, and break room supplies, safety and security items, healthcare products, and disposable food service products to resellers. The company was founded in 1928 and is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. This company has a payout ratio of 56.95%, has a 5-year growth rate of 4.94%, has dividend growth every year for the last 64 years. That comes to a dividend payout on a quarterly basis of 81 cents per share. The next ex-dividend date for this company is going to be March 4th, 2021, with a payout date around April 1st. The next company I'm going to look at is Emerson Electric. It is currently trading for $85.45, and it has a annual dividend payout rate of $2.02 per year per share with a dividend yield of 2.39%. And they are up 17.42% over the last year. Emerson Electric Company designs and manufactures technology and engineering products for industrial, commercial, and consumer markets worldwide. It operates through automation solutions and commercial and residential solutions segments. The automation solutions segment offers measurement and analytical instrumentation, industrial valves and equipment, and process control software and systems. It serves the oil and gas, refining, chemicals, power generation, life sciences, food and beverage, automotive, pulp and paper, metals and mining, and municipal water supplies markets. The commercial and residential solutions segment offers residential and commercial heating and air conditioning products such as residential and variable speed scroll compressors, system protector and flow control devices, standard programmable and Wi-Fi thermostats, monitoring equipment and electronic controls for gas and electric heating systems, gas valves for furnaces and water heaters, ignition systems for furnaces, sensors and thermistors for home appliances, and temperature sensors and controls. It also provides reciprocating scroll and screw compressors, precision flow controls, system diagnostics and controls, and environmental control systems for use in medical, food processing, and cold storage applications. In addition, the segment offers air conditioning, refrigeration, and lighting control technologies, as well as facility design and product management, site commissioning, facility monitoring, and energy modeling services, temperature management and monitoring products for the food service markets, and professional and homeowner tools and appliance solutions. The company was formerly known as the Emerson Electric Manufacturing Company and changed its name to Emerson Electric Company in 2000. And Emerson Electric was founded in 1890 and is headquartered in St. Louis, Missouri. They currently have a payout ratio of 53.84%, a 5-year growth rate of 1.24%, a dividend growth of the last 63 years. They do pay out quarterly at 51 cents per share every quarter, bringing it up to the annual payout of $2.02. Their last ex-dividend date was just on February 11th, 2021, with an expected payout date of March 10th, 2021. The next company I'm going to be going over is PG, also known as Proctor Gamble. The current share price is $127.12 with an annual dividend rate of $3.16 per share per year with a yield of 2.44%. They are currently up over the last year at 3.26%. The Procter & Gamble Company provides branded consumer packaged goods to consumers in North and Latin America, Europe, the Asia Pacific, Greater China, India, the Middle East, and Africa. It operates in 5 segments: beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine, and family care. The beauty segment offers conditioners, shampoos, styling aids and treatments, and antiperspirants and deodorants, personal cleansing, and skincare products under the Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essences, Pantene, Rejoice, Olay, Old Spice, Safeguard, and Secret brands. The grooming segment provides female and male blades and razors, pre and post shave products, and other shave care products, and appliances that include electric shavers and epilators under the Braun, Gillette, and Venus brands. The healthcare segment offers toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other oral care products, and gastrointestinal, rapid diagnostics, respiratory, vitamins, mineral supplements, pain relief, and other personal healthcare products under the Crest, Oral-B, Metamucil, Neurobion, Pepto-Bismol, and Vicks brands. The fabric and home care segment provides fabric enhancers, laundry additives, and laundry detergents and air care, dish care, P&G Professional, and surface care products under the Ariel, Downy, Gain, Tide, Cascade, Dawn, Fairy, Febreze, Mr. Clean, and Swiffer brands. The baby, feminine, and family care segment, baby wipes, tape diapers and pants, adult incontinence and feminine care products, and paper towel, tissues, toilet paper under the Loves, Pampers, Always Discreet, Tampax Bounty, Sherman, and Puffs brands. The company sells its products through mass merchandisers, e-commerce, grocery stores, membership club stores, drug stores, department stores, distributors, wholesalers, baby stores, specialty beauty stores, high-frequency stores, pharmacies, electronics stores, and professional channels. The Proctor Gamble Company was founded in 1837 and is headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio. This company has a payout ratio of 55.51% with a 5-year growth rate of 3.59% and a standard dividend growth over the last 64 years. They do pay out quarterly at a rate of 79 cents per quarter per share. Their last dividend date was January 21st, 2021, with an expected payout date of February 16th, 2021. The last Dividend King I'm going to be going over is 3M. Its MMM as a ticker symbol. It currently has a stock price of $176.54 with an annual dividend rate of $5.92 per year with a yield of 3.30%. And for the last year, they are up 12.57%. The 3M company develops, manufactures, and markets various products worldwide. It operates through 4 business segments: safety and industrial, transportation and electronics, healthcare, and consumer. The safety and industrial segment offers personal safety products, industrial adhesives and tapes, abrasives, closure and masking systems, electrical markets, automotive aftermarket, and roofing, granule to industrial, electric, and safety markets. The transportation and electronics provides electronics such as display material and systems, electronic material solutions, automotive and aerospace, and commercial solutions, advanced materials, and transportation safety products to transportation and electronic original equipment manufacturer customers. The healthcare segment offers medical and surgical supplies, skin health and infection prevention products, oral care, separation and purification sciences, health information systems, drug delivery systems, and food safety products to healthcare industry. The consumer segment provides home improvement, home care, and consumer healthcare products, as well as stationery and the office supplies to various consumers. This segment is also involved in the retail auto care business. It offers its products through various e-commerce and traditional wholesalers, retailers, jobbers, distributors, and dealers, as well as directly to users. The 3M company has a strategic collaboration with Mary Maids and residential cleaning sector, and the company was founded in 1902 and is headquartered in St. Paul, Minnesota. The stock has a payout ratio of 61.66% with a 5-year growth rate of 7.07%, and they have grown their dividend every year for the last 62 years. They have a quarterly payout of $1.48 per share, and their last ex-dividend date was February 11th, 2021, with a payout date estimated at March 12th, 2021. Now I'm here on TD Ameritrade Income Estimator for dividend stocks. As you can see, I have the 5 stocks I talked about chosen. I have each one set to about a $2,400 estimated annual income, which combined will make about $1,000 estimated average monthly income. As you can see, to get to that amount, 3M is the cheapest amount at $71,675.24, or 406 shares. The next is going to be GPC, General Parts Company. And then tied is Proctor Gamble and Johnson & Johnson, with the most expensive one being Emerson Electric at 1,189 shares and a market value of $101,600.05. All combined bringing you to $12,015.45 with a market value of $442,298.91. That is a lot of money, but you have to remember these are all Dividend Kings, which means they have increased their dividend every year for the 50 years plus. So these are all stable, large companies, and there is no guarantee that in the future that their dividends won't be cut at some point. But these are all well-respected companies. They're all mature. This is not also investing advice. This is just education purposes. So take that with a grain of salt and make your own investing decisions. I am not responsible for any gains or losses you might have, but these are all fairly good stocks that are well established to invest into if you're interested in dividend income. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative and helpful and able to show what kind of mature companies you can invest in and what kind of dividends you can expect. Again, this is not investing advice. I am not a professional, so do this at your own risk. And there is a option to make money and also to lose money. So just keep that in mind at all times. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel. I hope you have a great day and stay safe.